memories are wasted. They don't capture what you mean. You gave me what I am chasing. All my pain wants us to be together. All my love tells you restful.
Hi guys, today I have some crochet hair from Thus Beauty hair store from Amazon, and this is their 8-inch Jamaican bounce crochet hair, you all. This is how the individual strand is looking, and this is my braiding pattern, you all. Don't mind the dramatic look. I just work with something that will go good or go well with the style I'm going for, you all. And this is how the back is looking, not as dramatic as the front.
With all the angels tonight.
I am started crocheting from the back, and I am doing the regular crochet method where I just push the latch hook through the hair and pull the braid through and knot it once. You don't need to knot this hair like 3, 4, or 2 times because it is a large knot, so you don't want to have that big bulk when your crochet is finished. I'll be doing this step until I reach the front of the hair, you all.
Be present. All my love tells you stay in heaven. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to.
For this dramatic braid, I'll be doing the invisible crochet method. So I separate the braid in two, and I'll just knot in one side of the hair so the knot is falling in the middle of the braid. So you can see the knot in the outside or the back, so it's just in the middle.
Dying, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels around you
This is how the hair looks if I want to rock it like this. It is a cute way to be versatile and do different looks from your crochet hairstyle. So you could go in and rock this hair for maybe a few days, a week. Then you go in and you separate the curl to give you a different look. If you're somebody who likes to change it up a bit, you know your girl like to change it up. So I would maybe rock it that way. Then a week after, I go in and just separate and get me some big fluffy hair, you all.
tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with other angels tonight.
Now that the hair is fully separated, you can see that the curl pattern is changed and it's giving a big fluffy hair, but don't mind, I'm going in with the scissors and trim this beauty up, you all.
I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I she's 1 in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart, forever my girl in her eyes.
Now I'm going in with a little mousse to get rid of all the loose hair and all the frizz.
Dreams, honest and true, wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines, fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me.
Here you have the finished look, guys. Can you guys tell me that this is crochet hair? Look at this beauty. This is growing from the scalp. Look at it, guys. It is a perfect crochet hair. I do like the hair, you all. I love it and I like it. I like it before I separate the curls and after I am in love with the pattern of the curl. It is nice and giving me a natural look. The hair is from an Amazon hairstyle by the name of Bush Beauty and it is the Jamaican bounce crochet hair. It is 8 inches. It came with 5 packs, you all, and in each pack it has 16 strands. So they have all different colors like 27 6113, T27, T30, 4, T350, and all other colors, guys. So I'll leave the link to this hair in the description, guys. If you're interested, you can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye, guys.